Hello. How are you? Have translation? Everybody put on translation. This will be in English, yeah? Nice to see you. Can you hear? Okay. I broke out from the retreat to come here just to talk to you and see you. Just for today. Congratulations. Congratulations. You are very lucky people. Very lucky people. From today, you're free. Your soul is free. Yeah. Your souls are free. You will never. After initiation, your soul is free. You will never have to be reborn again in suffering and dying situation like in this world. You don't have to be reborn, don't have to get old again, don't ever have to suffer again, don't have to be sick or suffer of any kind again, and don't have to ever die again. Don't ever have to experience this dying process again, which is terrifying and pain and troublesome and sorrow for yourself and for family members. You are lucky people. Just try to meditate, all right? Yes. You will get used to it. And then the more you meditate, the more you like it. And the more you don't want to you don't want to be more attached to the world or any worldly things anymore. Gradually. You still do your job, you still love your family, but you will not feel attached that much like before. You will feel really free. And daily practice, you will have more and more experiences of the inside, of the inner vision of God, of heaven. Also, you will have more experience of miracles in the daily life, outside, in the world. And then you will feel you live in the world, but you're not in the world anymore, like the lotus. That is still in the mud, but never tainted by the muddy water. You will feel very, very free, very pure, very clean, even though you're still in the world and doing worldly things or have to work for yourself and family, earning money, earning the living for the physical life, but you will never feel so attached to all these worldly desires. What you have, you have. What you don't have, you don't mind. What you don't have, you don't use. And you will be very, very happy from today on, because you will see your life change for the better all the time, all the time, all the time. Not just 1 day, 2 days, but every day. Every day is new for you. Every day is wonder, is miracles. Every day is a miracle. Every day is miraculous. There are many miracles will happen. But it's not miracles that we seek. It's just a byproduct of the power of God that is reawakened within yourselves and will take care of you in every way possible so that your life will never lack anything. You might experience sometime again and again, maybe sometimes the worldly disturbance, like everyone else, but then you will see your life smooth out. Every trouble will be solved quickly or smoothly. Or even troubles there, you will not feel disturbed or anything anymore like before. You will feel, lighter. You will feel you can accept it. You feel nothing is really important anymore except the inside power that takes care of everything. And it will make you happy. And you will affect in a better way, more happy way to everyone around you. The surrounding of your family, of yourself will change also for the better for you all the time, day by day. That is the power of God. That's the master power which you have experienced a little bit today, just to have a taste of it, just to know that master power exists. Have you experienced some? Yes? Okay. If you have seen the light of God, that is God manifested in the light. Because God is formless, God is light, God is love. And God is the miraculous melodies that you have heard today inside. Not with the ears, but with the inside, with your soul. And if you have seen the light, you hear the melodies, that is the teaching of God. The teaching without language. And the light is the manifestation of God, which will surround you, be within you, without you, because you are light. You are part of God. And you experience a part of it today. If any of you maybe missed it or sleepy, you ask the Kuan Yin messenger to show it to you again. Okay? I ask them to stay there for a while to answer your question. To make sure you do it right before you go home. When you go home, you don't need anyone to teach you anything, because the master power inside will take care of you, will teach you whatever you need to know. And if you have any question, all you have to do is just ask, or write it down, and you will get the answer from inside. You will know it. You will know the answer without verbal language. Or sometimes even the master talk to you in your language too, if necessary. You can see the master in your house also, whenever you need. Or if you don't see, the master is always there with you, 24 hours, protecting you, guiding you, helping you in every way you need, whenever you need. So you have the best friend of your life, better than any best friend that you know. Will be with you through life and death. And when you leave this world, the last time ever, leave the physical body, last time ever, the master will be there with you, greeting you, bringing you back to the safe heaven where you belong. Just make sure you adhere to the instruction. Don't change any instruction during the initiation. Make sure you keep also the 5 precepts. That's to protect you from going astray and being misled by the Maya. The Maya is the king of illusion. He will always still hanging around, trying to make trouble for you. But if you adhere to the 5 precepts, recite the 5 protective holy names all the time, then your life will be like in heaven. You will never have any trouble at all, anywhere you go. The master power is always there. The master is always with you. That's why I'm not there today. I don't have to be. I'm with you. Understand? I'm with you, even though physically not. But maybe some of you have seen me inside. Have any of you seen the master there? Yes. Okay, it's good. If some of you sin, it's good. If not, you will. Doesn't matter. The Master is always there with you. It depends on your concentration, yeah, and depends on your inner sincere longing. You see the Master or not, or necessary or not. But doesn't matter. You see or not see, Master is always there for you, with you, 24/7, beyond life and death, always with you. Okay, the Master will never leave you. Because Master loves you. You will experience love. Maybe you have experienced, some of you today already. God is love. God is light. Therefore, if you experience today light and love, and daily, in your daily life, that is you experience God. And sometimes you will see God manifested. Maybe as Jesus, as Buddha, as the Master inside. Yeah? Just to comfort you or talk to you or answer some of your questions. Just be diligent and sincere. And keep the 5 precepts so that the Maya, the king of the evil, will never have excuses at all to trouble you. Okay? Or to make you stray in any way. Keep the precepts. Keep the 5 names. Meditate 2.5 hours a day, or as much as you can, even more. Yeah? The Master is always there. You are never alone from today. Master is always there, take care of you. Always remember the Master. Always remember the 5 holy gods. Remember that, okay? And you'll be right. You all look very bright today. You must have been concentrated well. Good for you. Keep this kind of faith and concentration power, concentration ability with you all the time. All the time. After you left this place, you continue to keep this kind of concentration in your heart, yeah? Keep concentration at the third eye, yeah? And then you will never have any problem. I promise you that. Not only you, but your 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 generation will also be helped to be liberated. How better can it be, huh? How better can it be? How more? What more can we want? Correct? Right? Hey, Hawaii, you still there? You look like a monk. You don't go home anymore? You stay there forever now?
I went home and I came.
You like Kaohsiung, huh?
Yeah, Kaohsiung's wonderful.
Oh, sure. No work, just hang around, meditate and eat. Huh? Good life. I would like that also myself, no matter Kaohsiung or Taipei or anywhere else. Good life. Okay, then I see you whenever God's willing, okay? I need to do more meditation, more retreat, and I have a lot of work also besides of retreat and meditation. But I love to see you. I love to see you. I love talking to you now. And maybe in the future, if possible, we see each other again. Take good care. Remember the Master. Remember God. Okay? All right. I love you. I love you. I love your family too. I love everything that you love. But not in the worldly sense. I love you always. You will always have me around. Okay? Can always count on the Master 24 hours a day. Not the physical one, not this body, but the Master inside you. Okay? The Master that is one with God. The Master that is omnipresent, omnipotent. The Master is all love. That's the Master. Whether you see this physical body or not, that Master is always with you. Okay? So long for now. God bless. I love you. Okay. Ciao then, huh? Good. God loves you. And I love you. I love you forever. See you around. Bye. Bye-bye.